and visualization types in Power BI. Okay, types of visualizations in Power BI report. So here we have different types of visualizations. You can see here. So these are different types of visualizations. Okay. So as you all know that we want to see the numbers in visual format. Okay. So we have different types of visualizations like bar charts, clustered bar chart. In bar charts, again, we have two types. One is horizontal bar chart, vertical bar chart, and stacked bar charts. And then we have the line charts, area chart, stacked area chart. And this is combination chart, like we have line chart and bar chart together. Okay, and this is clustered column chart with line chart, and this is a ribbon chart, and here we have the waterfall chart, funnel chart, scatter plot, pie chart, donut chart, and tree map. Here we have geographic maps. This is field map, and this is shape map. Just outline will be there. And here it is Azure maps. Here we have the gauges, cards, text cards. Here we have multi-row card, KPIs. These are slicers and text table. Here matrix. This is connecting to R. And here we have few more visuals. Okay, like these things, decomposition tree, Q&A. Q&A is question and answers. It is backed by artificial intelligence. So here, whenever we can ask a few questions, then Power BI will generate visuals automatically. So here, if you want, we can get more visuals also. We'll see it in a while. Okay, these are the different types of visualizations available in Power BI. We'll see one by one. Okay. In other view, like data view, we'll be having only the fields. In the model view, again fields and properties here. Okay. So here, if you want to collapse this, just collapse. If you want to expand, expand it. Okay. Sometimes unknowingly these things might be collapsed, hidden. Okay, like this. If you want to expand, click on these things. Okay. So here we can also use custom visualizations. We can add custom visualizations to the Power BI desktop. So for custom visualizations, click on these triple dots. Okay, here get more visuals. Just a minute. So here, these are all various custom visualizations. Okay. So you can download any of these things and make it as part of your Power BI desktop. Okay. So earlier I have just downloaded this one. Okay. You can just say, let's use this sunburst. Okay. Multi-level donut chart basically. Let us see if it is free or paid version. So it is free only. You can see here pricing. Okay. You can download the sample. Okay. So this sample file, okay, which shows this sunburst visualization will be visible. So I can just open this. We can also add this to Power BI desktop. Okay, let us add it. So here, are you able to see here? These are all custom visualizations which are added from external sources. Are you all getting right? How we can add custom visualizations? Okay. So even here also, if you want to add these custom visualizations or new visualizations, you need to have an account in Microsoft. That is again, if you have the Power BI account, then you can use those credentials to import these things. Okay. Otherwise, it will not allow you to import the visualizations. If you are not signed in, it will not allow. So let us just create few visualizations one by one. And so here we can see getting started with the color formatting and access properties. So yeah, you can just see the sunburst chart here. Okay, different categorical information are there. See groups, category, subcategory, area. Okay, so you can see 3 layers. One layer, second layer, and third layer. Okay, let us just create one visualization. Category versus sales. Okay, now let's see about the formatting. Okay, getting started with color formatting and access properties. So let us select this particular visualization, and here you can use this middle one for formatting. Are you able to see this brush? So this is meant for formatting. Okay, so let us just click on this. Now here you can see y-axis on, x-axis on. If you want to click again, click on it to off. So here you will not have any categorical information. You can see on. Similarly for x-axis also, these labels are all gone on. Okay. Again, this you can click on this. You can change the values. Okay. So here font size by default it is 9. Okay. This font size and this font size it is by default 9. We can change this. We can make it as 15 to look big. Okay. And color also here we can change. Can change to any other color. Say a pink color. Values. You can see values are changed to pink color. Title is on. Title is this one. Okay. So instead of auto, you can mention it as category wise sales. Okay. So here are you able to see category wise sales here? Title for this y-axis. You can increase the font size and color also we can change. Change it to say blue color. So are you able to see blue color, or let me make it as orange color so that it is distinctly visible. Okay. So here you have the option to reset to default. You can reset to default. Okay. So like this, you can do customization for the y-axis, values, title, Similarly, on the x-axis also we can do. So here range, minimum, maximum. So this range is for the scale here. Are you able to see the scale here? 0 to 150. So these are all auto-generated. If you want to customize, you can customize. If you want to start at say 100, you don't want to start at 0, you want to start it at 100, then you can mention it minimum, and maximum if you want to make it up to 1000, we can make it. Say here okay, this is 100K. Okay, we can increase. So we are starting at 100K, you can see. Instead of maximum auto, let us say 200K. Are you able to see here scale? Not this one, this one. Okay. So like this, we can reset. We can show the range. Values also, we can increase this size, font size to 15. Change the color, say brown. Okay. Display units also we had. Display units auto. So here we can change it to thousands, or automatically it is detecting in thousands. Okay. But if we don't want that to happen, what we can do is we can change it to none. Okay. Now the values will be shown here. And if you want to show in thousands, you can select thousands. Want to show it in millions, you can show it in millions, or billions, trillions. Okay, you can show it. Maximum we have trillions only. Okay. Is it clear? This is going to be one of the key things for you people. Okay, because sometimes you may have to show the units in appropriate dimensions. Okay. So here we have few more options like zoom slider. So are you able to see the slider here? So these are all certain customization requirements, the options that we have. So you can explore these things. You can just, so data labels. Now we do not have these values. What are these values? Exact values. We have this comparison, but we do not know the exact values. Okay. So what we can do is we can turn on the data labels. Okay. Now are you able to see 170K, 167K, 164K? You can increase the size. Okay, here for the values from 9 to 15, you can increase. Okay, we can also change the color to say yellow. Okay, and display units also we can change as we have seen earlier. Decimal places, if there are decimal places, we can also change them. Okay, now here background, any background, you can turn on the background. So here we can put some background, say a pink background. Okay, so we can do this plot area background also we can change. You can browse any filters, say color. Let us just open this. So here the background color got changed. So image fit, let us use fit. So it will fit. Okay, this is going to be another frequently used what you say customization you will be using. Okay, you can also use increase the transparency like this. Okay, so these are the options in the visual. Is it clear? Axis, grid lines, zoom slider, bars, all those things. So here for bars also you can see. So bar color is blue. You can change this color to say any other thing. Let us white. Are you able to see? Of course, it doesn't look good. Can use black color just to show you how we can change. Okay. Spacing, you can increase or decrease the spacing. Are you able to see the gap between these two? I mean, two visualizations is increased. If you want to reduce the thickness of the visualization, then we can increase this inner padding. Okay. You can see this. Okay. So this is under visual. Okay. Under general, you can see properties. Okay, this is the height and width. So position, advanced options. Okay. And title. Okay. Title, what happens is excuse me guys. So here this title will be automatically generated, whatever you are seeing here. So most of the times you may have to edit the title and put a customized title. Okay. So in the general options, so under visualizations, under this formatting, so here general option is there. Under general, you have the title for the visualization. Okay. So here we need to change this title. Set category wise sales. Okay. So here you can choose the heading style, heading 2. You can increase the font size. Heading 5. Okay. Text color also we can choose. Say if you want a red color. Okay, are you able to see? Yellow, blue, anything, whatever color you want. Okay, this way you can change the title color. Okay, and also title. So alignment, mostly we want in the middle. So center alignment need to be selected. So if the text is too long, then we can use this text wrap on. Okay. So here we have different effects like color. So here let us choose blue color. So you can see entire background got into blue color. Okay, let's use white. So visual border also we can turn on. So here you can see the border for the entire visualization. Okay. So this is very useful when we have multiple visualizations, especially when we have more than one visualization. These borders are very helpful. Okay. Then header icons. So these are the header icons. You can see they are highlighted in blue color. Border, you can choose any color, say brown color. Okay. Next. So we have the tooltips. Tooltips is on. Tooltip means whenever we move cursor on a particular visualization, whatever is shown in the uh, tooltip, that is the option here. Then on the tooltip, so here you can see report page or default page. Okay, text. Okay, and subsequent background. So here let us just put this is demo visible. So here we have few more options. Format, pane settings. So reset all settings to default, expand all categories, collapse all categories. Okay. So under format visual, we have visualization formatting and general formatting. Okay. So this is related to the formatting, guys. Okay. See, you can build any visualization, but your creativity or the appeal of your visualization is shown in this formatting. Are you all getting? So you need to be conversant with few of the formatting options that are available in Power BI. Okay, especially changing of the titles or labels or backgrounds. Okay, colors. So here you can see by default how it is sorted. Now tooltip color is changed to green color. So have you changed that, guys? Do you remember? Tooltips on. Yeah, we change the color, background color to green. Tooltip background color. Now let us change it to pink color. Okay. Now you can see, are you able to see tooltip text box color? So this way you can customize more. Now let's see how it is sorted. So by default, how the data in Power BI is sorted, this. So by default, how is it sorted, guys? Are you able to see here? By default, data is sorted in. So we can change the sorting here. Just a minute. Yeah, here in this. Are you able to see sort axis? Okay, by sum of sales, by category, or in the sum of sales itself, you can see sort descending. You can now change it to sort ascending. Okay, are you able to see the change? So we have region. What are the filters on this visual? We have one region. Where is region? Region is in report filter, isn't it? Are you getting? The region is on the report level. Okay. Suppose we have one more filter. Say, let's add a filter of segment into page level. Okay. Now let's click on this particular visualization. Okay, filters and visuals affecting this. Okay, so here you can see when we select one of these things. So here you can see there are two filters applied onto this particular visualization. Are you all getting? Okay, now we can just see that there are two filters applied now. Now what we will do is we will unselect this. Okay, now only one filter is applied, region filter. Now we will also unselect this region. Okay, now you can see, okay, there are no filters and slicers affecting this visual. Okay, there aren't any filters applied right now, so this scale isn't sufficient, isn't it, guys? This scale of 186 or 180k is not sufficient. So what we can do is we can go and see this. So we can make it as 100. Okay. Okay, 1 million. Okay, now it looks better. Okay, now resizing, popping out. So here this visual we can resize, can reduce the size, increase the size, can do like this. Okay, and here drill down in a visualization. So here drill down, you can see our time series data. Okay, so here we have this time series data. So let us duplicate this. So here let us remove this. Are you getting these options? Are you able to see these options to drill down? Now what we have is yearly data. Okay, 2014, 15, 16, 17 yearly data. So now if you want to drill down, just click on this. We will be seeing quarterly data. So just click on this next level. Are you able to see quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4? Okay, if you click again, we will be seeing monthly data, January, February, March up to December. If you click on again, we will be getting day-wise data, okay? Like 1st to 31st of the day. So this is drilling down, okay? From year, we have come down year to quarter, quarter to month, month to day. And this is drilling downward, okay? We are coming from top to bottom, higher level period to lower level period, okay? Granular level period. Now, when you move upward from lower level to higher level, it is called drilling up or rolling upward, okay? So here you can click on drill up. Now we have monthly, and here we have quarterly, and once you click once more, it will be yearly, okay?